Hello, welcome to House Build. This is part 12. You can see in this episode, we are in the basement. We have the steps now installed to the basement, so we don't have to walk around through the mud. Let's take a look upstairs. Have all our interior walls are all framed up. Everything in the interior is framed up. We'll take a look into the laundry room, mud room, going out into the garage. We've got all the sheeting on the roof. Everything's looking good, going along just fine. I'd like to do a quick walk around the house just to take a look. So the next thing we're going to do is tie the trusses to the walls, and we're not going to use hurricane clips. We're going to use these strong drive truss connectors. And you can see they're real long and they are orange. They come with a little guide. So we put the guide in, and that gives us the correct angle. Once the angle is established, we just drive the long screw in, and it's orange. That way the inspector can look at it and he'll know that we do have these installed. They're a little different than the traditional hurricane clips, but they do meet with code, and you can see that it shows up as a little orange button. Again, we just put the bracket that came in the box, line up the screw and drive it in wherever there's a truss, and we have to go around the entire house and pin every truss to the top plate of the walls. So there we have it. We have the water line marked now. We had the waterworks come out. This is where the tap's going to be. We had to have the tap moved. It was from the old house. It was wide into this house and the neighbor's house, so that's no longer applicable, and they had to take that out and move the tap over. So we've got that marked. We've got all the sheeting done on the roof. Shingles are up. Got some ice shield done. Waiting on the roofers to get here. And then we can continue on with the roof. So the roofers are here now, putting on the drip edge. All the ice guard is on, and the shingles are going down now. So it'll be a short period of time and the roof will be complete. These guys work really quick. All these shingles will be on in a matter of time with this team working on it. Moving up the roof a little bit with the shingles, and this side's complete here. Now looking out over top of the garage area. And this is over top of the master bedroom. Looking out towards the back of the house. This is over top of where the deck will be. So you can see the roof is coming along rather nicely. And here we have the finished roof. Got a nice ridge vent going across the top of the main section of the house. And got a ridge vent and a little bit more shingles to put on here. And you can see we have a ridge vent to put on here as well. Overall, the roof is coming along nicely. All right, so the roofers are complete now. The house should be watertight from a rain standpoint. So check back in the next episode of House Build, see which direction we go. If you like this series, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.